First, remove the column cover. Unscrew the base plate and the column screws. Unscrew the L-shaped thumb screw. Use a 2.0 hexagonal screwdriver to remove the two steel belt pressure plates. Use a 2.0 hexagonal screwdriver to remove the ruler-shaped part. Remove the steel belt. Remove the toothed mounting bracket. Remove the M2.5 by 16 countersunk screws. Press the steel belt tensioning bracket until the screw is removed. Unscrew the 8M 3x6 countersunk screws on the back. Remove the drive block from the column. Use a 2.0 screwdriver to remove the two M2.5 by 4 screws on the limit switchboard. Use a 2.0 screwdriver to remove the 4 M2.5 by 4 screws on the click control board. Unplug the motor control board switch and remove the control board. Replace the new control board and install the screws back in place. Tighten the 4 M2.5 by 4 screws. Place the driver block into the column. Tighten the 8 M3 by 6 countersunk screws on the back. Place the steel belt tensioning bracket into the column and tighten the M2.5 by 16 screws. Installing the toothed mounting bracket. Install steel belt and steel belt pressure plate. Use a 2.0 mm hexagonal screwdriver to turn the ruler-shaped portion. Install the L-shaped thumb screw. Install the cover. Install the base plate and column screws.